Guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Ethereum on Coinbase Wallet. It's easy to get this done. The buy icon at the top left, select this icon and you're met with the option to buy or transfer crypto from your Coinbase account. Now, this option only works for those who have a Coinbase account and are ready to make the link, which is simply linking your Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase account. Now, if you wish to buy cryptocurrency without linking to the Coinbase account, all you need to do is head to the browser icon. Now, at the browser icon, simply search for amp.alchemypay.org. They are a crypto channel. They are a crypto merchant that help to buy cryptocurrency using your MasterCard or Visa card. So once you've been able to enter your email address on the site, click on the proceed option. All right, so once you're on ramp.alchemypay.org, they are a merchant platform that help to buy cryptocurrency using your MasterCard or Visa card. So where we have the GBP being the Great British Pounds, you could exchange that for the United States dollar. So all you need to do is find the United States dollar and select it. And now in place of ACH being their own cryptocurrency, you could simply search for Ethereum and select the Ethereum, that's ERC20. Please make sure you're buying ERC20. So click on Ethereum and now proceed to buy Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to pay, click on proceed to buy, and then you'd be asked to enter your wallet address. Now head to this assets menu, click on the receive icon, copy your Ethereum address. Once it's copied, head back to the browser, paste the address you just copied, click on proceed, and now you're asked to select a payment option, which is either your credit card or your Google Pay, which are all secured and verified. Now click on the card option. When you select the card option, you get to put in your name, your card number, expiration date, and CVV, all of which are necessary steps you need to take to buy the cryptocurrency with Ramp, with Alchemy Pay. So all you need to do is approve of this transaction by putting in your code or your PIN. And once you've entered this and clicked on confirm, you'd be asked for your address or any personal details, and then you can purchase the crypto. So once you've bought your Ethereum, you'd find it in the assets menu just under your other cryptocurrencies. If you have any, or if you do not have any cryptocurrencies, you just find the Ethereum solely there. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy Ethereum on the Coinbase wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.